This video is sponsored by PCBWay. Learn more in the video description below. Hi guys. So somebody asked like how the sliding mechanism works and how it stops in 2 points and doesn't slide out. So I will explain the sliding mechanism. So here is the version 3. You can see it's smooth. Yeah, so I will show you the sliding mechanism in version 4 because I don't want to open this one. So this is the version 4. It's a prototype, it's not final yet. There's some changes. So I will open this one. The print quality is not that good, so it's cracking, but here you can see how smooth it is. Yeah, so you can see I took the advantage of the plastic banding. See, we have two rivets here. Those two can go in, and also 4 points here, 4 slots actually. So these two are for open position and these two are for close position, and this groove here, there's two grooves in two sides, so those grooves are goes here. So the display goes like this here, in this way. So you can see one side is open like this side and this side is closed, the groove. So first the LCD cable goes here and slides like this. Yeah, yes, you heard a click here. So that one is the open position. The slot right, these two clicks here, and when I move here it clicks again for the closing one. So for to close this gap, or like this grooves, not grooves actually, this cutout, so it can't go out beyond the opening position. So we have the two features here, this one here in the both side. So those two feature goes here to close the position, you can see. So now it can't go out beyond the opening position. So if you push, it doesn't go out. Yeah. This one is much smoother. So to pull this off, you need a tight tolerance. The 3D printer should able to print, or like the tolerance should be around 0.3 or 2. The tolerance should be 0.2 or 3 millimeter, the tolerance. Also you need some sanding to get this smoothness here. Yeah, I hope this explained the sliding mechanism, and if you have any other request, like show off any other part of the mutantC, I'm glad to do it. So like the video and subscribe.